Hello there, ninjas. This is Ninja Man here. I think my intro's good, but my outro's staying safe. He should make fun of that for no reason. He just thinks that my YouTube channel is bad, but okay. But my intro is good. Hello there, ninjas. Ninja Man here. Yeah, that's slick. I like it. We've moved like a couple inches. Remember, we were down at that trunk. Now we moved. How dare I move off camera? Oh crap! The tractor's coming back.
Yeah. Can we go slide on it?
No, hold on. We're gonna get to the top of this little hill. Let's go.
The top of this little hill. It's pretty big, actually. Oh, these are all thorns. Ow.
Yeah, I know this hill's pretty big.
And there's all thorns in here.
Holy crap! Ow! And I just got done. I've been watching some videos like Lasting Gamers, XP Gamers. They play like space engineers. Go watch them.
I
don't know.
When you were walking by with the intro and you pulled that stick back, when you let go of it, it hit me right in the face.
Oh, really? I did not know that. I knew that. No, I did not know that.
I heard you.
No, actually, I did not know that. I was just making fun. Funny.
Funny.
Holy crap. We have to go and explore like a... Up here is boss.
But we also need to find out about that tractor before it leaves.
Dirt bikers. Go, get one now, freak. It could be those bad kids. Come on, we gotta go fight dirt bikers. Freaking crap, the dirt bikers. I hope they aren't bad dirt bikers. Oh my god! This is such an intense moment. I swear if they're bad dirt bikers. Woo! Oh, you okay, Jeremy? It seemed like... I just whacked myself with my penis. Shh. Stay freaking low.
I don't see them.
There's definitely there. We heard them. It was like, ow, ow. They can't drive up this hill, I don't think. What? Damn it. That stick gave me a wedgie. Personal information. Maybe they were just driving by the road. But those were definitely dirt bikers. Which is, this place is perfect for dirt bikers. Shh. Did you just hear that? It sounded like a voice. Somebody was yelling.
You should just get them on video camera and say, too bad you're on YouTube now.
Yeah, well, actually, they're already on YouTube, remember? Way at the beginning of my channel. We should go down. We gotta go down to the porta potties. Let's go. Porta potty.
Oh, watch out, slippery leaves.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, let's get down by the porta potty, guys. Ooh, this is so freaking intense. This is a big intense moment because those dirt bikers, remember? They tried to run us over. Remember the video just got real? Look, don't worry, I did not type in the actual word. It's just like, you know, hashtags and stuff. But it was episode 10. Adventure, F10. Those are the same kids, I think. I'm sorry if you guys hear bad sounds on here. Those last time we encountered those dirt bikers, they made bad sounds. I'm not gonna say, you know, sounds, but the bad sounds. We have sticks. Come on. Really? They can't hurt us. There's a tractor right here. There's a motorcycle. Shh. Shh. We hear them talking. Yeah, we hear them talking. But maybe they set up a trap.
What?
We hear them talking, don't we? Maybe they set up a trap. Maybe they saw us coming down here. They're waiting. They're down there. Oh my God! They're at the place where they usually park their trucks that carry their dirt bikes, and then they come up here. See, they're way down over there.
Yeah. Do you know, we can report these guys on YouTube and report them to the police and get them arrested.
Yeah, we aren't going to report them. Don't worry. Dude, they did not harm us. They tried harming us.
It's illegal to ride dirt bikes on the road. If you didn't know.
Yeah, well, they ride down the road just to get to here, okay?
If they ride down the road and up the road like they were chasing us.
They're coming. Get them coming now. They're coming. I see them. Well, at least I thought I saw them.
If we hear them and we see them, we run and roll.
You see, look at that. The truck's pulling in right there. And that has, like, their dirt bikes on their back, on the back of the truck. We should really get back up that hill. I really want to explore that more. But this is way more important. Shh. I heard something. Oh, no, that was just a squirrel. Okay, guys. Oh, this is freaking crazy. Sorry, this might be a little bit boring. We're coming down. Really. Okay, we're gonna head up the hill. Remember, guys, to leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe. Those dirt bikers probably gonna come up behind me and run me over. But comment down below, subscribe, tell your friends, whatever you want. And remember, as always, stay safe.